Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. I want to do a video walkthrough on this 2016 Sea Ray 250 SLX. Got a huge aft facing swim platform when you're anchored up. This is where the family can spend time. This hatch is on an electric switch up at the helm. Engine's below. Engine has 315 hours on it approximately. Risers and manifolds were just replaced. Motor was completely out of the boat, fully serviced, and then put back in. It looks great. Take a look at the still photos. Mechanically, this boat is sound and ready to roll for the next owner. Just working my way up the stanchion on this top. It is an electric top, so with the push of a button, this top will drop down just a few inches off the windshield and tighten up if you're limited in space with your slip. Got a cooler here, index storage box here, storage underneath this cushion as well. Flip-flop seat here, so this flips back. Got a bolster. Open this compartment and you've got a head that is plumbed for overboard, or excuse me, for overboard pump out. This is the upgraded head, so you've got a little nicer interior in there. Glove box here, cup holders. It's really nice two-tone upholstery. Upholstery's in good shape. Anchor locker forward, anchor rode there. Got a storage compartment here, so this flips up. You can see your tenning poles for the canvas there. This comes all the way up. There's your mooring cover. Covers the cockpit and up here at the bow. Got snap-in carpet. Boat is sitting on a tandem axle aluminum trailer as well. Complete package, great shape. Just slow down and let you take a peek at the upholstery in the video. Flip down armrest. Got waste discharge there, waste pump out, fill tank for your freshwater system there. Coming up, helm seat's in great shape. It does have the flip up bolster there, so you can flip up and be above the windshield, or flip that bolster down and tuck in behind it. Medallion display. I got 313.3 hours. Automatic trim tabs there. Coming around. Designated spot for your onboard cooler. Again, storage down in that compartment. Some more storage up here. Onboard battery charger would plug in there. Back here you got storage in this compartment. Here's your aft lounge. Spinning around. Canvas rest there. It's a little noticeable where that canvas rests, but otherwise interior upholstery is in great shape. Sea deck on the swim platform, gray, nice color. Cockpit shower, rinse off. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. If you have any questions, give me a shout, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd love to give you a hand.